how to link Discord to PS5. You want to go into the settings, then users and accounts. Now go and choose linked services, and you should see Apple Music, Discord, Spotify, Twitch, and YouTube. You want to click on Discord, and here we just have to select link. Now what we have to do is either enter this code or scan the QR code with our phone. So I'm just going to scan it. So you just want to get your camera and scan it, and right here it should appear like this on your phone. You want to keep scrolling, and if you authorize it, then it is gonna allow you to get access to Discord on your PS5. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.